Now to China, where the country has been fighting the hepatitis B virus for 22 years. It used to be the most deadly illness in the country, and Friday marked China's 29th Child Vaccination Awareness Day, coinciding with the World Health Organization's World Immunization Week. In 1992, China adopted vaccination to prevent hepatitis B. Before that, though, 1 out of every 10 Chinese carried the virus, and the infection rate stayed as high as 58%. Every year, about 270,000 people died of hepatitis B-related illnesses. Then in 2008, China introduced its expanded vaccination program for newborns. The plan recommended 11 kinds of vaccinations for all newborns nationwide, which aims to protect children against more deadly diseases. And it's working. Since 2012, less than 2% of children in China were diagnosed with HPV disease. Some 380 million doses of vaccine are given to nearly 16 million newborns every year. That's 95% of China's newborn population. And for more on China's Vaccination Day, CCTV's Liu Yang reports.
Ready to get vaccinated? The World Health Organization is reminding parents of the importance of protecting children through timely immunization, especially after the birth of their babies.
The purpose of getting vaccines for my child is to prevent my daughter from being exposed to infectious diseases from other children.
The focus of this year's immunization campaign is hepatitis B, the virus that can cause liver cancer. WHO data show every day that about 3,500 babies are born to mothers with chronic hepatitis B in China, and these babies are likely to become lifelong carriers of the hepatitis B virus. Experts say few babies suffer adverse side effects from vaccines, and the staff is on hand to treat any child who has a reaction.
Some children may get adverse reaction from getting some type of vaccines, but that ratio is fairly low. Parents should not forego the chance to protect their children.
Experts say to prevent people from being exposed to hepatitis B, newborns should get a timely dose of the hepatitis B vaccine. This, followed by 2 more doses during infancy, will lead to lifelong protection from the deadly virus. China has made tremendous progress on disease prevention. The WHO says the rate of hepatitis B infection has declined 90% among children under 5 years old since inoculations were introduced nationwide.
Nowadays, getting vaccinated is the best way to protect us from getting sick, to build up a protective screen. We need to educate these children and let them know.
Experts say diseases such as polio, measles, and whooping cough have been eliminated or brought under control by vaccines in China. According to the experts from Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention, they're considering whether to add vaccines for chickenpox and some flu shot to the current list now administered to children under the national program. Liu Yang, CCTV, Sichuan Province.